Hello everyone, welcome back new brand video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to install Scarlet app or unable to verify Scarlet app. If you want to install Scarlet app but face this type of error, this app could not be installed because its integrity could not be verified. So how to fix? First of all, go back here home screen and open your setting, and from here click on Apple ID banner name, and from here click on media and purchase, click on view account and click on country or region. Click on change country or region and select your country and select United States. Click on this and terms and condition, read carefully. Click on agree, click on again agree, and from here you as can see payment method. Select your payment method, select your state and city and state and zip code and phone number, and after that click on next. After change your country or region, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go back here home screen and open your setting, and from here go back and scroll down and click on journal, and from here click on software update. From here what you need to do it, update your iPhone and iPad. After update your iPhone and iPad, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then scroll down and click on date and time, and from here what you need to do it, turn on this toggle set automatically. If the toggle turn off, what you need to do it, turn on this toggle, and after that go back and scroll down and click on VPN and device management, and from here if you connect any one VPN, what you need to do it, disconnect, and after that go back and click on transfer reset iPhone, and from here click on reset and click on reset network setting. Enter your passcode and click on reset network setting. After reset network setting, check whether problem had been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then go for the last method. Go back to your home screen and open your again setting, and from here scroll down and search for this Safari app. Click on Safari, and from here scroll down and click on advanced and click on website data, and from here remove all website data. After remove all website data, I hope your problem will be fixed. If this is helpful, then like and subscribe channel. If you have any problem, share with me in the comments box. I will help you more. Thanks for watching.